It's time to fucking make some progress. It's time to reach your fucking goals. Let's do this shit, my peeps. All right. You want a big fucking nasty V-taper? I remember when I was a kid, when I was a fucking teenager, all I wanted was that fucking big, wide, cobra looking fucking back from behind. Now, how do you get that fucking big, nasty V-taper? Well, there's a couple of things. Number one, you got to keep yourself from fucking getting fat. Keep your waist little. All right, that's diet. Okay, we won't dive into that again. You want to fucking build that fucking big, nasty V fucking taper. There's two elements that you're going to have to really stay focused on. Number one is the upper back. So we're talking about lots of fucking overhead pull downs, pull-ups, reverse grip pull-ups, pull downs, near grip pull downs, reverse grip pull downs. Anything pulling from over the top of the head is going to create that fucking width to your back. All right? Now, the big fucking problem when people do this shit is they're always fucking leaning way back, which turns it into more of a row, which is going to still help widthen your back, but it's not going to give you that fucking really, really wide upper back. So when you're doing these pull downs or pull ups, you've got to make sure that you keep fucking straight up. Don't fucking lean back, because then it turns it into a row. It's going to be, I'm telling you, the weight will be lighter. Don't fucking get all fucking connected to how fucking low your knucks swing by how fucking many pull-ups you can do fucking with terrible form, or how much you can put on the fucking weight stack on the goddamn lat pull-down machine. Nobody sees your fucking nuts. Nobody fucking judges you based upon the fact that you're doing an exercise to try to hit a certain body part, all right? Bottom line is you got to let go of that fucking ego. The size of your cock has nothing to do with how much you can fucking lift or do a pull down with or a pull up. All right. So plenty of pull down or pull up movements, keeping yourself vertical. The next thing is you need these big motherfucking shoulder caps. All right. That is going to come from pressing like a motherfucker. You've heard me talk about this before. Pressing is the fucking key. Standing press, seated press, behind the neck press, in front of the head fucking press, dumbbell press, fucking bar press. I don't give a fuck what you're pressing. Just press like a motherfucker. That's going to build the girth in your fucking shoulders. All right. Now, from the back, what you've done is you've created the big wide shoulders, the big fucking onions, and now you've created that upper back that's going to fucking curve out, meet those fucking big wide shoulders right in your fucking armpit, and now you look like a motherfucking cobra from behind. So again, my peeps, think about what you're doing. Don't just fucking go into the gym and fucking lift to lift. Have an idea of what you're trying to accomplish with each fucking exercise. That will help you reach your fucking goals. Rock and roll, my peeps. Let's fucking do this shit.